Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to export Excel document as PDF file. Very easy tutorial. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to go to the top right here. So you have to go to file right here. Then have to click on file. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to save as Adobe PDF. Click on that. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply choose the options that you want to save. So I'm going to choose entire workflow. So having choose the entire workflow, then I'm going to leave it in actual size. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on convert to PDF. Then this is going to pop up. Right here, we have to choose where I want to save the file. I'm going to save it in my desktop. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply come down below right here and then click on save. Just like so, we have the file saved successful and open up in my Adobe PDF. So if I try to minimize my PDF and my Excel, then we have it right here. Now, this is the Microsoft Excel file, and this is PDF file. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to export your Microsoft Excel file to PDF without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.